All right, homework 38, we're switching into some probability type things, and the first thing we're going to talk about are some sequences, either an arithmetic sequence or a geometric sequence. An arithmetic sequence is one where you're always adding or subtracting the same value to each term. So if we look at our formula here, we have a sub n equals 31 plus 3 times n minus 1, n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it goes on and on and on forever. We are finding the first 4 terms of our sequence. So a sub 1 would be 31 plus 3 times 1 minus 1. If I figure that out, 1 minus 1 is going to be 0, so I'm going to have 31 plus 3 times 0 is 0, and so 31 is going to be the first term in my arithmetic sequence, this number right here, 31. If I do a sub 2, I'm going to do 31 plus 3 times 2 minus 1. Well, 2 minus 1 is 1. So I'm going to end up with 31 plus 3 times 1, which is 3, and I get 34. A sub 3 means I'm going to have 31 plus 3 times 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So I'm going to have 31 plus 3 times 2, which is 6, which gives me 37. And then a sub 4 is 31 plus 3 times 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, so I'm going to have 31 plus 3 times 3 is 9. 31 plus 9 is 40. You can see what happened is my starting value was the 31. The 3 here is what I'm adding each time. 31 plus 3 is 34. 34 plus 3 is 37. 37 plus 3 is 40. So each time I added 3 to get to the next term in my sequence. So first 4 terms, 31, 34, 37, and 40. So number 2, finding the first 4 terms of my sequence. So a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, and a sub 4. 36 minus 4 times 1 minus 1. 36 minus 4 times 2 minus 1. 36 minus 4 times 3 minus 1. And 36 minus 4 times 4 minus 1. Plugging in my values for n. So here, 4 minus 1 is going to be 0, 2 minus 1 is going to be 1, 3 minus 1 is going to be 2, 4 minus 1 is going to be 3. So here I'm going to have 36 minus 4 times 0, so minus 0. Here I'm going to have 36 minus 4 times 1, which is 4. Here I'm going to have 36 minus 4 times 2, which is 8. Here I'm going to have 36 minus 4 times 3, which is 12. So my answers, 36 minus 0 is 36. 36 minus 4 would be 32. 36 minus 8 would be 28. 36 minus 12 would be 24. Each time I'm subtracting 4, I started with 36. I subtracted 4 from each one of them, so 32, 28, and 24 gives me my first 4 terms of my arithmetic sequence. So here a sub n equals 51 plus n minus 1 times 8. So a sub 1, 2, 3, and 4 are what we're going to find. 51 plus 1 minus 1 times 8. 51 plus 2 minus 1 times 8. 51 plus 3 minus 1 times 8. And 51 plus 4 minus 1 times 8. So again, when we simplify, 1 minus 1 is going to be 0. 2 minus 1 is going to be 1. 3 minus 1 is going to be 2. And 4 minus 1 is going to be 3. So 51 plus 0 times 8 is 0. Gives me 51. 51 plus 1 times 8 is 8. gives me 59. 51 plus 2 times 8 is 16, which gives me 67. And last one, 51 plus 3 times 8 is 24, which gives me 75. So on this arithmetic sequence, we added 8, and added 8 again. So arithmetic sequence, you're either adding or subtracting the same number from each of my terms in my sequence.